Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we are working on the August 2016 New York Algebra 1 Common Core Regents problem number 11. If you want to access these exams anywhere in the world, you can go to nysedregents.org. Click on the appropriate tabs and you could download the tests from there. So here's the problem. Which function has the greatest y-intercept? F of x equals 3x, 2x plus 3y equals 12. The line that has the slope of 2 and passes through the point 1 comma negative 4, or the graph shown in problem 4. Okay, so in this case, there's a few ways of doing that, and if you want to try the problem on your own, I recommend you pause the screen now. So what we can do is recognize the y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. When x equals 0. So in fact, for all of these problems, there are multiple ways of doing this problem. I know you may have found another way to do this problem. So I'm gonna do it this way just to have a second way, and then I'll do the other one the kind of a more standard way. So f of 0 is equal to 3 times 0 equals 0. So the y-intercept is 0 here. For choice 2, 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 12. So that's 0 plus 3y. So 3y equals 12. I can divide by 3. I got y equals 4. Okay, so 4. That looks like that's going to be the answer. Choice 3, possibly. This line that has a slope 2 and it goes through the point 1, 4. So if I say y equals mx plus b, so I got y is equal to, the slope is 2, so 2x plus b. And then it passes through the line passes through the point 1, negative 4. So negative 4, I'm going to solve for b, equals 2 times 1 plus b. So equals 2 plus b. So b is going to be negative. Minus 2, b is negative. B equals negative 6. So this is definitely not the answer. Okay. And then choice 4. What did I just do? I just realized I circled number 1, right? Hopefully you caught that error. So choice 4. We can read the y-intercept right from the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a 5. So in fact, that is the answer. So because 4 is greater than 5. All right, so that's how I did this problem. There's multiple ways of doing it. I recognize that. Let's look at another problem that we created here. At this point, you should definitely pause the video, try the problem on your own, and when you're finished, press play to see our solution. By the way, with the way we're able to provide these tutorials totally for free is by having viewers like you see these videos. So if you like what you see, click the like button, subscribe. Let your school friends know that these videos are available. We're providing tutorials in algebra, geometry, algebra 2 trig, geometry, biochem, and physics. So definitely look out for those. More than that coming. So in this case, the problem is which function has the smallest slope. So in this case, I'm going to do it in the form. I'm going to put each one in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, so number 1. F of x equals 3x, which is, well, that's already in mx plus b form, 3x plus 0. The slope is equal to 3, okay? And we're looking for the smallest slope, okay? Choice 2, so 4x minus 6y equals 24. Just do your algebra carefully here. We're going to get everything that's on the left, put it all on the right, except for y. We want y to be by itself. So subtract 4x, and we get negative 6y is equal to negative 4x plus 24, and divide by negative 6. get y equals -4 over -6 is 2/3 x, and then 24 divided by -6 is -4. The slope is 2 over 3. We want the smallest slope, so it's not number 1. Choice 3, let's see, the line that has a slope of 1.5, 1.5 is, well, it's 1.5 is greater than 1, which is greater than 2/3. So 1.5 is bigger. Definitely not, we're looking out for the smaller slope. This function, I see this point clearly, so that's the point 0, 5, and I see this point clearly. There might be another point that you see clearly as well, but the coordinates of this point are 2, -2, -1. And then the slope is the change in y over the change in x, which is again equal y final minus y initial over x final minus x initial. So final is, let me erase this 3 over here because we're working on 4. Y final is 5 minus y initial is -1 over x final is 0 minus x initial is -2. So okay, 5 is -1 is keep change. You might have heard of that. Plus 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. And the same thing here, keep change. 0 plus 2 is 2 equals 3. 3 again is bigger than 1/2. 3 is greater than, greater than 2/3. So this slope is 3, which is bigger than 2/3. So that's not the answer. So the answer is choice 2. Okay. Thanks for watching. Look, I know you can do it. Keep working at it. Stay tuned for the next video starting right now.